Today I show you how to use the gel pens. These are similar to the ballpoint pens, but they are actually gel inside. This is the pentel pens, and this one here, it's with the cup like this, the simplest way and very convenient. And then there is also this pen. It's a mechanical pen. So they are both working with the same refills, this Energel liquid gel ink, and it's very interesting. It has really, there are really the ink on this pen is really interesting, very bright blue, and metal tip, I'm not sure what that means. This 0.7 millimeter, so it's going to be a medium thickness. So let's try the first one, the easiest one. The easiest one to use is this one, retractable pen tip with the mechanical system here. So it's a mechanical pen. These ones, pens in many years in the future, they will probably be like a museum thing. So if this video seems basic to you, it might be something of a history recorded about how people use pens in 2025. Today is 2025. We are in 2025. So maybe 50 years from now, people will not use pens at all. You will not be able to buy a pen in the supermarket at all. Everything you write will be probably interfaced through your brain directly, or through a kind of a VR headset or AR headset, augmented reality or virtual reality headset, probably like this. So you wouldn't need a physical pen. Would be something ancient that nobody uses anymore, but we still use pens these days. So you use the pen like this, and usually the pens, you can remove the tip of the pen and you can change the refill. Many pens, they will have this option, and better be sure that you buy a pen that can be refilled, has the refill replaced. So you take the pen and you write, this is the mechanical. So say this is a pen. Energel. Mechanical. I think it writes pretty well, this one. I like the bluish, really bright blue. Easy to remove, so you don't get too much pen ink on your fingers. Now this one is much more classical. I like the style of this one more. You remove the cap and you make sure you don't forget the cap. You can actually put the cap on the other side of the pen, like this. This is what many people will do, so you don't lose the cap. And it looks, I like the look of this much more than the other one. It's more like a fountain pen. I like the look of this one much more than the other one. I think this is more like a fountain pen, like the old style of pens. So I like the look much more of this one. It reminds me of the fountain pens, the old style ones, and they can all be removed. This brand, Pentel, they can be removed and have the inks, the refills replaced. So that's great here. 0.7 Energel. So this is the liquid gel. Inside there is a gel. It's not ballpoint. Like this is the ballpoint. It's very simple, this one. That's a ballpoint. And I will write this with this one. I believe the gel pen looks much nicer, but the ballpoint pen will be able to withstand some moisture, even get a lot of water on the paper and not come out. I'm not sure about the gel pen. Maybe new ones like this Pentel, they might survive. Maybe new ones like this Pentel, they might be able to get the paper wet and not fade away, but I'm not sure about that. The best option is a permanent marker if you want it to stay there where it is. So that's the permanent marker there from a previous video. And that's the gel pen. When you finish using it, put the cap back on. Not because it's going to get dry, because they will not get dry. They have a ball at the end of the pen that rolls only when you use it, but only so you don't damage it. Because this pen here, the tips are very sensitive to damage, so if you hit it on something, it might get damaged. Also, it might leak if you have it in your pocket, in your shirt, it might leak, so you don't want that. Keep them like that and it's all good. Thanks for watching.